Good morning, class 5. In the previous class, you have read about the addition and subtraction of fractions and what problems related to addition and subtraction of fractions. And now, in this class, you have to understand multiplication of fractions. So, take a look at this. Students, the topic is multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fraction or fractional number by a whole number. First we have to understand how can we multiply a whole number and a fractional number. For example, it is taken here, multiply 3 and 1 by 4. How we can multiply it? First we have to write in the multiplication form the whole number 3 into the fractional number 1 by 4. And you know, if 3 is alone, then there is the denominator 1. So you can write it 3 by 1 into 1 by 4. And you can see here you have to multiply numerator to numerator, 3 1 ja 3, and the denominator to denominator, 4 1 ja 4. So this is the answer. Now multiply 3 whole 1 by 5 and 25. 3 whole 1 by 5 into 25. Multiply means into. 3 whole 1 by 5 into 25. First we have to change it in proper fraction. 3 5 ja 15, 1 16. 16 by 5 into. And 25 can be written as 25 by 1. Now we have to multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Here 16 into 25 and 5 into 1. But how it is 80? So look, 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. You can reduce these numbers because these are in division. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. So 16 5 ja 80. 1 1 ja 1. 80 by 1. So you can write 80. The next example, we have to take 42 and 2 whole 2 by 7. We have to multiply 42 and 2 whole 2 by 7. Write down 42 into 2 whole 2 by 7 as it is. 42 can be written as 42 by 1 into 2 whole 2 by 7 can be written as 7 2 ja 14 to 16, 16 by 7. Now multiply 42 into 16 in numerator, 1 into 7 in denominator. So it is 96. How it is 96? 7 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja 42. So it is reduced, and now 16 6 ja 96. So 1 1 ja 1. 96 by 1 can be written as 96. The next example, 6 and 1 whole 1 by 6. Just write the question, 6 into 1 whole 1 by 6. Then write 6 as 6 by 1. And now this 1 whole 1 by 6 can be written as 6 1 ja 6 plus 1, 7 by 6. Now 6 into 7 in numerator and 1 into 3 in denominator. And you can reduce it, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. Only 7 is left. So 7 1 ja 7 and 1 1 ja 1. 7 by 1 can be written as 7. Students, now we have to understand multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. Fraction by another fraction, not whole number. So first example is multiply 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. First write the question as it is, 2 by 5 into 3 by 7. Write down 2 into 3 and 5 into 7 in denominator. Multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Now 2 3 ja 6 and 5 7 ja 35. Because here nothing is reducible, So you just multiply 2 3 are 6 and 5 7 are 35. But multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. The next one example is 12 by 17 and 9 by 8. So first write 12 by 17 into 9 by 8. Multiply the numerator to numerator, 12 into 9 and by 17 into 8. Now you can see here 12 and 8 can be reducible. You can reduce it by 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. Now it is 9 3 ja 27 and 17 2 ja 34. So this is the answer. The next one is 1 whole 1 by 2 and 2 whole 3 by 5. 1 whole 1 by 2 into 2 whole 3 by 5. Write the question. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 by 2 into 5 2 ja 10 3 13 by 5. Okay. Here you cannot divide, it cannot write as it is. So write 3 into 13 in the numerator and 2 into 5 denominator. Now it is not reducible, so you just multiply 13 3 ja 39 and 5 2 ja 10. This can be written as in mixed fraction like that. 10 divided by 39 divided by 10, 10 3 ja 30, it will be 9. So 3 whole 9 by 10 you can write. Okay. Now 5 whole 3 by 4 and 2 whole 2 by 3. You can write the question first. 5 whole 3 by 4 into 2 whole 2 by 3. Make it in improper. 4 5 ja 20 plus 3 23 by 4 into 3 2 ja 6 2 8 by 3. Write down 23 into 8 by 4 into 3. You can reduce it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now it is 23 2 ja 46 by 3 1 ja 3. It can be written in the mixed fraction 15 whole 1 by 3 like that. 3 46, 3 1 ja 3, 1 6, 3 5 ja 15, 1. 15 whole 1 by 3. Okay. I think students, you can understand how you can multiply a whole number by a fractional number and how you can multiply a fraction to another fraction. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.